Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your name?
My name is John.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Where is your friend?
He is in California.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you live in the USA?
Yes, I live in Texas.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Where is your home?
My home is in Florida.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where is your teacher?
She is in the classroom.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small car.
Where is your car?
It's in the parking lot.
Or do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
What color is your phone?
It is black.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Where are you now?
I am in Los Angeles.
Is this your bag?
Yes, this is my bag.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
Or do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Where do you work?
I work in Chicago.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
Where is your brother?
He is in New Jersey.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
Where is your book?
It is on the table.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read every day.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my room.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach in Miami.
Is your house big?
No, it is small.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV every night.
What do you watch?
I watch news.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
Where do you go on Sunday?
I go to the park.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, I walk to school.
Is your school far?
No, it is near.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very much.
What do you learn?
I learn English.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English in Washington.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is big.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I do.
Do you like America?
Yes, I love America.
Where is your mother?
She is in the kitchen.
Where is your father?
He is at work.
Or do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
Its name is Lucky.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats too.
Where is your bag?
It's under the chair.
Do you eat rice?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
Is your food tasty?
Yes, it is very tasty.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
What do you cook?
I cook eggs and rice.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, I go on Fridays.
Where is the market?
It is in downtown Dallas.
Do you buy fruit?
Yes, I buy apples and bananas.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like winter?
No, it's too cold.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it's sunny.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain.
Where do you go when it rains?
I stay at home.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have one.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What do you read?
I read short stories.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I like learning new things.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Where are your friends?
They are in New York.
Do you talk to them?
Yes, I talk on the phone.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play online games.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing songs.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you travel?
I travel to California.
Do you like airplanes?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to the airport?
Yes, sometimes.
Where is the airport?
It's in Los Angeles.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
Where do you shop?
I shop in New York malls.
Do you buy clothes?
Yes, I buy new clothes.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, I like white shoes.
Is this your jacket?
Yes, this is mine.
Do you like your country?
Yes, I love my country.
Do you like the USA?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Do you visit museums?
Yes, I visit museums in Washington.